Let me know acknowledgement or first present because they are just here to oversee. Acknowledge first present Miss Lenny Moses because they are just here to oversee the assessment. I will check now your attendance, asking all your name. Come forward and present your admission slip, Mr. Enrique speaking. Please sign here. Okay, next. Mr. Veronica Del Rosario. Please sign here. Hello, Mr. Enriquez. How's your feeling today? Proceed for your feedback for your document performance and your report satisfactory and also the oral question and your answer correctly. Congratulations, Mr. Enriquez, and you are confident. And please sign here. Okay, thank you, Mr. Enriquez. Congratulations again. As I observed you, answer all the questioning, but correctly, you may lack something in your practical, but don't you worry, we'll be still receiving COC and you can reassess anytime at your convenience on the assessment center for you. I'm so sorry, Mr. Amelia, but you are not yet competent, but still congratulations. Please sign in. Okay, once again, congratulations